If you like this makeup look, go ahead and stay tuned because we're about to get into it. I did it in about 10 minutes, baby. I promise you it's not hard. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, hi guys. I'm about to do my makeup to be on Zoom today. As you can see, I got bags underneath my eye and pimples on my face. This weekend with my family was a blast. I really even have my timer on. So I'm about to do a really quick light beat. Not gonna take that long, and it's also very affordable. Let's get started. Start first with my brows. I'm gonna use my edge control, the True Edge Booster. I'm also gonna have everything tagged in my storefront, the link below. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub that on my brows, right? And make sure you close it back because that will dry out. And I'm just gonna brush my brows upwards. Just mold it into how I want it. I'm just gonna use the back of my fingertips to just pat it out. Cool. All right. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. grip. Just literally taking like 2 pea sides and putting it on my T-zone, my fine lines, like my smile lines. Bringing it out into that T-zone. And then just patting it down. Dry for a little, not too long, because like I said, your girl is rushing. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna take my powder puff and just powder my face. This helps with the oils, but I feel like it also takes away the texture out of your skin. I'm about to color correct. I have some spots on my face and I need them gone. I'm gonna color correct my spots. This one isn't as affordable, but I can go ahead and still tag it. This is the Tarte. NYX has a really good one, the HD. You could always use that, or e.l.f. Also gonna take a little bit color corrector underneath my eye, right by my nose and by my mouth where my hyperpigmentation is. Start to slowly blend those out. Not too much, because you still want it to cover. So I just pat in the same spot very lightly. One that I'm really gonna move around is the one that I put by my mouth. And I'm just gonna keep blending that out in that area. Same for this side. And this one that I put by my nose, I'm just moving it around a little bit. And that just a little bit. I'm gonna try to keep it in the spot that it's at to take away the hollowness, and then I'll go ahead and move it up. And I'm patting really lightly because I don't want to take that product away, but I also wanted to blend into my skin. Same Fit Me foundation. This one is in the 220. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put my powder again. This is gonna go ahead and set that concealer. I'm gonna do a light skin tint. This is my e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm just gonna, it got on my clothes. Oh Lord, good thing I don't have to go outside. Just putting that all on my face. And so that's the e.l.f. Halo Glow. And then I'm also gonna add my CoverGirl skin tint as well. I'm gonna use my brush. It's a bit on the angle. Go ahead and brush that out to get them blended together. A nice flawless base is glowy, also skin-like, very light coverage, like, you know. That's what I want. I want it to, you know, I want to keep this look today pretty natural. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush that on my lid as well. All right, so now you got your foundation down, well, your skin tint, the Putty Luminous Bronzer from e.l.f. And I'm gonna just go ahead and just work that in these areas. I'm going ahead and I'm patting my brush in here and going ahead and putting it on those areas that I want contoured. And I love this luminous one. I love to use all my luminous e.l.f. stuff with the Halo Glow. If you know you want a light beat, I love to use this. And this is probably gonna be like the only bronzer that I use today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off my hair. My hair's not fully dry, but it's okay. comb break. I'm just hot combing my hair, and when I'm done with my makeup, I'm ready. Almost done, and you're about to be almost done too. The bronzer and just work it into my hairline as well. Go down on my nose and bring it into my brow. Foundation brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the leftover, put it right here to diffuse out any harsh areas. I look beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer. Not a lot, honestly. Right here, one in my inner corner, one in my outer corner, and a little right here, and I'm gonna connect it. Some in my inner corner, some in my outer corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring that down. I don't add any right here. When I blend it out, I'll bring it there because I hate looking like I have a long lip. Like, I just don't like it. Dot right here, and a small dot right here, and a little small line down the bridge of my nose. And I'm also gonna bring that right here because that's gonna help me clean up my contour and give me a little bit of a sharper look. Concealer brush, oh, you can't really see it, but it's like on an angle. Let's start with these small areas, blend it out really lightly, and keep it in the position that it's in. And then I'm gonna bring that down, blend out right here and bring it down. And then on my nose, I'm just gonna pat it out lightly because it was a small strip. You blend under here. I'm gonna blend it on like a curve. So I'm blending it this way up, and then I'm gonna blend it down. And for this side, this way up, out, and then blend it down. And you see how that just snatches the face? I'm gonna do the same thing for my eye. I'm gonna start down here though, by my nose, and bring it up. And you see how this is all blending into the skin just perfectly? And I'm gonna just bring that out. And I'm still doing this lightly, small taps. Same thing for this side. And I'm bringing it up and then connecting these two. And then just bring that out just a little bit. With my foundation brush, not adding any extra on, and I'm just gonna go over those lines to make it a little bit soft. So all those places I added concealer, I'm just going over those lines to make it a bit softer, okay? My luminous blush in color Issey del Sol. It's like a nice orange color. It is so friggin' beautiful. Oh my Lord. And I like to just work that up. And I'm gonna just bring it up onto my forehead a little bit. And these are buildable, so that's what I really like. And I'm also gonna put some on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. It's gonna give a nice sun kissed look and bring everything together. Concealer a little bit more. Translucent in the same Fit Me foundation. And I'm gonna go ahead and just pat my under eye. I'm patting, swiping, blowing, and then patting. And I'm gonna bring that on my smile line as well. And in all the other areas, I put my concealer. So under here as well. Revolution bronzer. And just bring that around my face. And on my nose and on my chin. A little fluffy brush. Put some on my eyelid. Since I'm not doing eyeshadow look. To fit me in your skin complexion. But I'm just going to take some of this and just put it on my face to just bring everything together and the color back in so everything looks nice and seamless. That powder blush again. Time for me to go, guys. So let me just finish up and spray my skin with my NYX and you're all done. Light lip combo. I'm gonna use my NYX in the color pink. and Wild. I am down. Need to get a new one. Top of that with my So Juicy from Colourpop. This look was a little rushed. Not in the sense of how it came out, but just showing you guys. So I'll make sure I'll do a detailed one just for anyone that just wants to know the products or don't need a lot of details. Like, this is the look. It's nice and clean. It's light. You see all my spots are covered up because we went in and did color correction. The blush is sitting, the skin is glowing, and I'm not gonna lie, that's why I really love those e.l.f. Luminous products. It's for the look for the day. Ooh, I almost forgot. Same lip liner, and I just emphasize my beauty marks and add a little bit extra. Right? Cool. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel with K-Lux. You can find me at with K-Lux across all social media platforms. And I love you guys so much for showing me so much support. If you guys want any specific makeup looks or specific makeup brands, comment below or DM me on Instagram. But if you guys have questions, you let me know. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Hopefully by then I have a voice.